The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Harbor Beach to Port Huron, Michigan, St. Clair River, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located 17 nautical miles west of Lakeport, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorms will be near Port Sanilac around 9:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the strong thunderstorms include White Rock. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.